So today we'll see about integration by partial fractions. So 5 different formulas which we come across in this. So when the integral is of the form px plus q divided by x minus a into x minus b. Okay. So when you have the integral of the form px plus q divided by x minus a into x minus b, this can be rewritten as a by x minus a plus b by x minus b. So you can rewrite and then you can form integrate and you can solve it. Okay, simplest way of finding. So a by x minus a plus b by x minus b. Then you can find the proportions of a and b. Okay, and then you can make the integration to be so simple. Okay, and the second case, when the integral is going to be of the form px plus q divided by x minus a the whole squared into dx. So in this case, when your integral is of this particular form, you have to rewrite this as a by x minus a plus b by x minus a the whole squared. This is the second form. Okay, and then the same when the integral is going to be of the form px squared plus 2x plus some c divided by x minus a, x minus b. When you have 3 factors, okay, and c to the power is raised to the power of x squared, here you have 3 factors in cubic equation as 3 factors, and then you'll be having, you can just rewrite this as a by x minus a plus b by x minus b plus c by x minus c. Okay, this is the third form. This is the third form. And the integral is going to be of this particular form. You have to split in the form of partial fractions as a by x minus a plus b by x minus b plus c by x minus c. Then the fourth form, there is the form px plus qx plus c or something like that. Or r also you can have. It is some variable. X minus a the whole square and x minus b. It is of this particular form. How do you represent? As a by x minus a plus b by x minus a the whole square. How we did for the second form? The same with the square term. Okay, here you got the square term. So a by x minus a plus b by x minus a the whole square plus another variable c by x minus b. So this is how you rewrite it. Then when the same integral is of the form px squared plus 2x plus r divided by x minus a into x squared plus bx plus c. It is of this particular form. How do you represent? How do you represent the integral? So how do you represent? As a by x minus a, then it's a linear factor, a by x minus a, and you have x squared plus bx plus c. So in that case, here it should be bx plus c by x squared plus bx plus c. Okay, and this you should note that this cannot be factorized. It cannot be factorized. And this is not factorized, so this is the particular form. So these are the 5 forms you should come across. Okay, which we come across, and in each of the cases, we will just, when the integral comes of this particular form as px plus q by x minus a into x minus b, you are supposed to rewrite as a by x minus a plus b by x minus b. So in the denominator, when you have linear factors, you have to split as each and every coefficient a by x minus a plus b by x minus b. When it's of the form px plus q by x minus a the whole square, first one time as a by x minus a plus b by x minus a the whole square. Second, Then let us solve three factors as three different forms as in the first case. A by x minus a plus b by x minus b plus c by x minus c. When it is of x minus a the whole square as the second case, and for this a separate factor as c by x minus b. And when it is x minus a and some denominator you have which can be a quadratic equation which cannot be factorized, in that case this can be written as a by x minus a plus bx plus c by x squared plus bx plus c. So this is these are the formulas which we will be using for integration by partial fractions method, and you should be thorough with all the formulas so that we can just carry out the problems. Hope these formulas are clear. You should be, it's very simple. When it is a form of linear factors, I express as a by x minus a plus b by x minus b. Here also three factors, a by 3 terms. And here when it comes with square, first time as one factor linear factor x minus a, and second time with the square and as separate. And here denominator is x squared, which cannot be factorized. In that case alone, you will be having bx plus c by x squared plus bx plus c. Okay, so these are the things. So next we will use these formulas in solving the problems. Let's take an example. X divided by x plus 1 into x plus 2x. So how to simplify this? So you can see that it is the form of px plus q by x minus a into x minus b, where x here is the form of two factors. So this can be rewritten as, so x can be rewritten as, the numerator is a numerator, can be rewritten as a by x plus 1 plus b by x plus 2. Okay, and this in turn becomes, when you take LCM, it is a into x plus 2 plus b into x plus 1. Actually, this x by x plus 1 by x plus 2 only we are writing this. Okay, so x plus 1, x plus 2. In the denominator also you have x plus 1, x plus 2. So this term can be rewritten as like this. So when you try to equate the coefficients in the numerator, the equating coefficient of x, okay, from the numerator, we can find the values of a and b. So actually this x into x is equal to ax plus bx plus 2a plus b. This is a given equation. Okay, so this is the given equation. So when this is the form, equating quotient of x implies 1 is equal to a plus b. Okay, 1 is equal to a plus b. So equating the quotients of x. Next, equating constants. Equating constants, what do you have? 0. We don't have any constants. So 0 is equal to 2a plus b. So these are the two equations. So then what you can do? Solving these two equations. Solving 1 and 2 you have a plus b is equal to 1 and 2a plus b is equal to 0. So when you subtract, okay, what happens? Minus a is equal to 1. So 1a minus a minus 2a is minus a is equal to 1, which implies a is equal to minus 1. So when a is equal to minus 1, okay, equation 1 implies a plus b equal to 1. So minus 1 plus b equal to 1, which implies b is equal to 1 plus 1, which becomes 2. So equating A and B will name this equation. So this will be updated. Integral changes to what is A here? Minus 1 divided by x plus 1 plus 2 divided by x plus 2. So this is a given integral. So we have rewritten the above integral only in this particular form. So this integral only changes to this particular form. Okay. So when you substitute, so what is integral minus 1 by x plus 1 dx? Nothing but minus log mod of x plus 1 plus 2 into log of x plus 2 plus. Okay. So your answer is if you want, you can just raise to the square of, okay, and you can write log A minus log B. This, so this once again it can be written as, okay, minus log of x plus 1 plus log of x plus 2 the whole square plus c, which in turn implies log A minus log B is log A by B. So x plus 2 square divided by x plus 1. Yes. So this is your convenience. So the final answer is y, because since log A minus log B is equal to log A by B. So that will be absolutely clear. So this is how we can solve by using partial fraction. Okay, so when it comes with 3 factors, you have to split a by x plus 1 plus b by x plus 2 plus c by x plus 3. So the simple method which we can do. Then do another problem. Integral 5x divided by x plus 1 into x squared minus 4dx. So this is how we are going to solve. So this how can you solve? This can be written as 5x by a squared minus b squared. What is a squared minus b squared? Okay, 2 squared, a minus b into a plus b. It's minus 2 into x plus 2 into dx. So in this case, so 5x is equal to a divided by x plus 1 plus b divided by x minus 2 plus c divided by x plus 2, which in turn implies 5x is equal to a into x minus 2 into x minus x plus 2 plus b into x plus 1 into x plus 2 divided by, when you have both ways you have the denominator, here also you have the denominator as follows. Now equating quotient of, here what all terms you have. So either you can equate the coefficients of x or you can just make some substitution. What I feel is that using substitution method will be more simpler for us to do compared to equating. So when I take x is equal to x is equal to 2, okay, when x happens to be 2, okay, equation 1 implies 10 is equal to 5 into 2, 10. 10 is equal to, this becomes 0. 2, I substitute x as 2, this becomes 0. Here this also becomes 0. But I will left out with b alone. B into, what is 2 plus 1 into 2 plus 2. So 10 is equal to b into 2 plus 1 is 3. 2 plus 2 is 4. 4 into 3, 12. Which implies b is equal to 10 by 12, 5 by 6. Therefore, b is equal to 5 by 6 with one variable. Okay? Because equating the coefficient will be difficult, so you can just make some substitution. And similarly, when I take, when x is equal to minus 1, when I take equation 1 implies minus 5, okay, equation 1 implies minus 5 is equal to, this becomes 0, this becomes 0, but I will put with 8 term. So minus 1, so minus 1 minus 2 is minus 3, minus 2 minus 1 plus 2 is 1. So minus 5 is equal to minus 3 a, which implies a is equal to 5 by 3. A is equal to 5 by 3. So my a value becomes 5 by 3. Okay. Next we are supposed to find with the constants. Okay. So what is the other way we can do? What is the other way we can do to find out C? I should be left out with C. Okay. So when I take x is equal to minus 2, okay. So when I take x is equal to minus 2, I'll be able to get the term. So when x is equal to minus 2, what happens? Equation 1 becomes minus 10 is equal to minus 2. Minus 2, when I substitute here, this becomes 0. Minus 2 here, this also becomes 0. But here, I'll be left out with C into minus 2 plus 1 and minus 2 minus 2, which implies minus 10 is equal to C into minus 1 into minus 2 minus 2. Minus 10 is equal to 4 C. Minus 1, minus 2 minus 2 becomes minus 4, minus into minus becomes plus. So, which implies C is equal to minus 10 by 4, which implies minus 5. C value becomes minus 5. Okay? And substituting values of A, B and C, substituting values of A, B and C, what do you do? Okay? So, the integral becomes, what is A value? 5 by 3 divided by x plus 1, and B is 5 by 6. 5 by 6 divided by x minus 2 plus, what is C? C we have got it as minus 5 by 2. Minus 5 by 2 divided by x plus 2. And then when you apply the integral for all these, what will be getting? So this is a constant. So 5 by 3 into log of mod x plus 1 is 5 by 6 into log of mod x minus 2 minus 5 by 2 into log of x plus 2. So your final answer is this. Log a plus log b plus log c can be rewritten as log a into b into c. That way also you can write the answer, or it can be done with this also. So these are the ways how you can apply the integration. Okay, with partial fraction method. So the only thing, partial fraction will strike when you have the denominator in the form of factors. So when you have the denominator in the form of factors and the numerator you have 5x, that is px plus 2 form, then you have to apply these two rules.